Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add SendPulse subscriber in Google Sheets. So here my objective is that whenever we are going to add new subscribers in our SendPulse account, then automatically we are going to capture the detail of that subscriber and we are going to automatically add that detail in our Google Sheet. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between SendPulse and Google Sheets. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to add a new subscriber in SendPulse, then automatically I'm going to add a detail of that subscriber in Google Sheet. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add SendPulse subscriber in Google Sheets. So suppose we have a subscriber form, and through that form we are adding new subscribers in our SendPulse account for the email service. Now we want to maintain the data of all our SendPulse subscribers. So for that we need to add the data of all our SendPulse subscriber in our Google Sheet. Now here my objective is that whenever a new subscriber will be added in my SendPulse account, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that subscriber and automatically I'm going to add that detail in my Google Sheet. So for my objective, I have to build an automation and a connection between SendPulse and Google Sheet. So I'm going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. Now for using Pabbly Connect, what I need to do is I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we just need to click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here I need to create a new workflow. For that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add SendPulse subscriber in Google Sheets. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. So here I have this particular folder of Google Sheets. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on create. And here it will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be SendPulse. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select SendPulse here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new subscriber will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect SendPulse with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between SendPulse and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and now I need to take you to my SendPulse account, and here I need to go to my profile and I'm going to open account settings. Now here in account settings, I need to go to API, and here in API, I have this option of webhooks. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new webhook in this email service webhooks. So I'm going to click on create a webhook button, and now I need to give an event. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I have this option of new subscriber. So I'm going to select this as my event, and now I need to give a URL. So here I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I need to click on add, and here I have successfully added my webhook in my email service webhooks. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So this is a response of successfully adding a webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to click on recapture webhook response, I will click on yes. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new subscriber in my SendPulse account. So for creating a subscriber, I'm going to use a subscriber form that I've created in my SendPulse account. So I'm going to take you to my form, and here this is my subscriber form, and in this I need to fill the detail like email, name and the phone number. So for creating a new subscriber, I'm going to fill all these details. So my email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. Now I need to give the name, so my name will be demouser. And here I need to give my phone number. So I'm going to give a random phone number for my subscriber. And here I have filled all the required details. Now for creating a new subscriber, I'm going to click on subscribe. And I have successfully subscribed to my SendPulse account. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see as I have filled my subscriber form, I have received this response. So here I have the phone number of my subscriber. I have the email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. Also I have the name, that is demouser. So we can see that I have filled all these details in my subscriber form and I have received all these details here in Pabbly Connect. Now to check whether I have added a new subscriber in my SendPulse account or not, let me take you to SendPulse. And here I will go to my mailing list. And here in mailing list, I'm going to open my form that I have used to create a new subscriber. So this hot leads are my subscriber form. So I'm going to open this. And in this we can see I have created this new contact and a new subscriber. So the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. This is the random phone number and I have the name, that is demouser. So here we can see that automatically by using my subscriber form, I have created a new subscriber in my SendPulse account. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And as I have received all these details of my subscriber, what I need to do is I need to use all these details and I need to add the detail of my subscriber in my Google Sheet. So for that I need to set up my action tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for that. And now I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And here I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now here I need to click on allow to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now for adding the detail of my subscriber in my Google Sheet, I need to first select my spreadsheet that I want to use. So for selecting my spreadsheet, I need to take you to my Google Sheet account. And here I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet that is named as SendPulse subscribers. And in this spreadsheet we are on sheet 1, which is the only sheet that we have. And we have these 3 columns like the full name, email and the phone number. So now I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And now for selecting the spreadsheet, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the spreadsheets that I have in my Google Sheet account. So I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of SendPulse subscribers. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I need to give the full name, email and the phone number. So here I have received all these details of my subscriber from my SendPulse response. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response and I'm going to use all those details of my subscriber and I'm going to map that here in these tabs. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of SendPulse and here I need the full name. So here this is the full name of my subscriber, so I'm going to map this. Similarly I'm going to map the email, so I'm going to click here. I will open the response and here this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to map the phone number, so I need to click here. I'm going to open this response and here this is the phone number of my subscriber, so I'm going to map this. And here I have filled all these details and I have mapped my detail here. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of a new subscriber from SendPulse, then automatically with all the new details, these details are going to get replaced that I have mapped here and it is going to get replaced with the new data in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have added all the detail of my subscriber automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let me take you to Google Sheet. And here in my Google Sheet, we can see I have added this new row, and here in this row, I have added the detail of my new subscriber that I have just created in my SendPulse account. So here I have the full name, that is demo user. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number. So here we can see that as I've added a new subscriber in my SendPulse account, then automatically by using all those details of my subscriber, I have added those details in my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my form one more time. I'm going to refresh this, and here this is my form. So I'm going to fill this form. So first I need to give my email. So my email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. Now I need to give the name. So my name will be testuser. I'm going to give a random phone number. And here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on subscribe. And I have successfully created this new subscriber in my SendPulse account. Now what should happen is that as I have created this new subscriber in my SendPulse account, then automatically all these details of my subscribers should be added in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let me take you to Google Sheet. And here in my Google Sheet, we can see I have added this new row with the detail of my new subscriber that I have just filled in my subscriber form for SendPulse. So here the full name is testuser, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random phone number. So here we can see that my connection between SendPulse and Google Sheet is working successfully, and now whenever I'm going to create a new subscriber in my SendPulse account, then automatically all the detail of that subscriber will be added in my Google Sheet. Now like this, I can maintain the data of all my subscribers that I'm going to add in my SendPulse account. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully created this automation between SendPulse and Google Sheet to add SendPulse subscriber in Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was SendPulse, and my trigger event was new subscriber. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.